Khajur barfi or dates rolls are filled with dry fruits which are a perfect snack for health conscious people. The khajur barfi is rich source of protein and iron. It is completely sugarless as dates are the source of sweetness in this barfi. So without any delay, let's start today's recipe. Hello everyone, welcome to Sonia's Cooking Corner. Here I have taken 3 tablespoons of poppy seeds. Now I am roasting these seeds on a low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now they are roasted completely. Once the poppy seed turns fragrant, I am transferring this seed into a bowl. Now in the same pan, I am adding 1 teaspoon of ghee and all the dry fruits like cashew, almonds, pistachio and roasting them for 5 to 6 minutes till they release an aromatic smell. We have to stir fry the dry fruits on a low flame and it should not burn. Now it is done. I am removing them in a plate. Here I have taken 1 cup of dates or khajur. This khajur is soft and I am going to grind coarsely in a mixer jar. You can see the khajur is ready. Now we will start the stir fry process. In the same pan, add the 1 teaspoon of ghee and once it melts, add the ground dates to it. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. The dates will be hard and sticky earlier, but once they cook, they will turn soften. Now you can see the dates have cooked completely. It is time to add roasted dry fruits. I am also adding 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds and half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix it and let it cook well. You can also use grated coconut. Mix well on a medium flame. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Do it exactly for 3 to 4 minutes. Don't overcook. Transfer the content to a plate. Let it cool down for a bit. You can choose the shape you want. Now our khajur roll is ready. Before placing it in an aluminum foil, we are garnishing it. For garnishing, let's sprinkle the pistachio and khaskhas and then roll the khajur over it. Here pista and khaskhas have stick to the roll. Repeat this process for a few seconds. As soon as the garnishing is done, cover the khajur roll in the aluminum foil and allow to set it in refrigerator for 1 hour. After an hour, when the rolled barfi is set, take it out of the refrigerator. Now cut the roll into desired shapes. Our khajur barfi is ready. Now serve this barfi after a break of 30 minutes. The khajur barfi is very simple and easy to make and it can last for a month. Please do try this dish and post your comments in comments box. If you have not subscribed my channel so far, please subscribe it and click on the bell icon for new videos. Thank you everyone.